first property that I invested in, I messed around and got a neg-am loan. When the balloon payment hit, my payment went up $2,000 on top of what it already was. And I could no longer afford it. And guess what happened? I foreclosed. Another investment property I had, now hindsight being 2020, I would have kept it. The market changed and it lost its value. I owed about $200,000 on it. I ended up short selling it for $150,000. A year later, it was back up to $300,000. Today, it's worth roughly about $600,000. Mortgage payment was low, cash flow was still good, and there was really no reason for me to get rid of it. My first flip, we ain't make no money. I partnered with a friend who's a contractor. He was great. Neither one of us knew what we were doing. We formed an LLC. Knowing what I know now, I would have done an S Corp. We ended up owing more money than we actually made.